Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video about how to use Ridibooks. So first of all, I think it can look quite confusing from the homepage because there's all sorts of events and books and everything flying everywhere and moving around in your face. So we just need a couple key things. First thing is to read the books and download the books, you will need an account and the app itself. However, you can view previews on the website completely free, and a lot of books have previews. Let's just check this one. So if you click here, Mi리보기, you can see a preview of a lot of books that you can read completely free with no account through the website. But this can be quite annoying because you can't highlight anything, you can't search anything, you can't even highlight it at all here. But so you've got that option if you just want to read books, and then there is also, I'll show you how to purchase a book. So you just click 구매하기, and then it'll take you to the buy page, and then you've got all the Korean options here, and then this one here, if you're outside of Korea, you just use this one, 해외 발행 신용카드, yeah, and then agree to the terms here, 구매 동의, and then this one, 결제하기, that is buy. So you just click that, and it'll take you to a page that shows you. You just input your card number and you input your expiry date and everything, so they can identify it's you, and then you will get charged by your bank a tiny amount. I think it's only 50p for me, just for the transaction and the exchange of currency, because it'll be in a different currency. So then, if we get to the juicy stuff now, this is what you want Ridibooks for. So first thing is, if you actually want to put money on and buy books, you want to use this part here where it's just a recharge of the Ridicash. And then what you want to do is, on the first 3 days of every month, this part here, the bonus points, they will be doubled. So if you use those, you can get extra money for how much you're paying. Down here is the payment options again. You want to click this if you're outside of Korea, and you can use, there's tons of different ways to pay if you're actually inside Korea. But then once you've topped up, you can then use the money on pretty much anything. Next thing is, you want to get, before you buy anything, you want to get this weekly coupon that will give you free coupons that give you 10% off. So unless you're buying books like mad, there's pretty much no way you'll use all free coupons. So you've got free coupons there, and yeah, you can get other coupons from other events, and they will all be here, and then you can use them for purchases. And then what else do we have? So we have this event. So here is the events. It's not here at the moment, but this is one called Shibuya. This one I've already opened in a different tab. Shibuya, ya meaning night. And then you get 10% coupons, and then you also get a chance to get 1,500 or 101 off. And this is on the 15th of every month, but I think it runs from the 14th. It runs from the 14th to the 21st apparently. But as long as you click on it, so you just click down here, and then it'll take you to the page, and then it'll tell you either win the lottery or you don't. So you can get 1,001 off. So then there's that, and then you've also got the option of doing Ridiselect, which is effectively Amazon Ultimate. So you pay monthly. It's actually gone up now because they added these articles, but you pay monthly. You can get all sorts of books, and if there was one that I recommend, if you go here to the categories and you go to the Orini section, you've got all sorts here. There's world history and like novels for children and all sorts of things like this. But if you can read these quicker than they cost, so you'll be paying, I think it's $9.99 in pounds, and I think it's $9.99 in dollars as well. So 9.99, almost £10 per month. So if you can read them quicker, it's more worth for you to do that. So that's a good option. And then there is also in a lot of the ebook section, in the sections here, you can see all the sections if you click this part. A lot of web novels and webtoons and stuff, they have the first like volumes free. So like here you can see it has one volume free, one volume free, but the webtoons will have like 17 or 20 free that you can read. But you can basically get tons of free content out of just reading all the free stuff that's on here, whether it's previews or whether it's the first book. If you can see here, it says download and it's free. So yeah, you can get away with a lot of that. And that's about it.